Good morning, Dan Wood with Northern Sun Mercantile. In this video we are going to put the battens on the barn, get all the gaps and cracks closed up and get the soffits in and the support for the sliding door. I'll get up on the face of it. Hope you enjoy the video. Now the first thing to go on is going to be these soffits. I ripped them to 5.5 inches. They're going to go up underneath the eaves and seal that up. And then we can butt the battens into the bottom of them. And now, because there will be a lean-to porch on the front of this, I'm going to leave room for my ledger board for the rafters up top. I'm going to snap a line that I can butt my battens into the line. Now, because I am putting a sliding door, I've actually decided to put sliding doors all the way across the front. So I'm going to put a support piece, 1x6 all the way across, just above the door opening to hang the doors on. The front is by far the most tedious part of this whole thing, just because of the door openings and the porch that'll be going on the front. And now I can go ahead and start installing all of the battens. Those are going to be little short pieces at 11 1/4 at the top, and then whatever it is underneath that. The ledger board for the roof will sit right on top of these battens. This piece of 1x6 here, I'll probably have to add a little blocking on the other side with some framing lumber. But this is what the barn door, the sliding barn door track gets bolted to. Just gives me a nice flat surface to bolt that to. There will be a porch on here, which is why I left this low from the soffit. There's going to be a ledger across here and then a piece of flashing that'll go up underneath that. I'll probably get that on in the next couple days too. Waiting for the ground to thaw though to build the porch out here, so I'm going to dig some footings.